In today's video, we're going to cover how to view a trial balance in QuickBooks. Start from your QuickBooks online dashboard. On the left-hand navigation menu, select Reports. This opens the area where QuickBooks keeps standard financial and accounting reports. Once you are there, move to the search field and enter Trial Balance. As you type, matching report names will appear below the search box. From those search results, select Trial Balance. QuickBooks will open the report page where you can set the date and display options before reviewing the balances. At the top of the report, choose the report period or the as of date that matches the balances you want to see. If you need account balances for a specific point in time, make sure the date selection reflects that exact period before you continue. Next, choose the accounting method. You will usually see options such as accrual or cash. Select the method that fits the version of the balances you need to review. This setting affects how amounts are shown on the report, so it is worth checking before you make other changes. After that, select Customize. This opens the report settings where you can control what appears on the trial balance. Under Rows and Columns, choose the columns you want to display and adjust the account display options based on how you want the information presented. This is where you shape the layout of the report to match what you need to review. Then move to the Filter section. Here you can choose account types or apply other available filters. If you only want to look at certain categories of accounts, this is the place to narrow the report. Make sure the filters match the view you want, since anything applied here changes what will appear once the report refreshes. Next, go to Header and Footer. In this section, you can adjust the report title and any other available header or footer details. This is useful if you want the report to display a specific title or additional identifying information when you review it or prepare it for sharing internally. Once your settings are in place, select Run Report. QuickBooks will apply the date, accounting method, customization, and filters, then refresh the trial balance with those choices. If the page takes a moment to update, wait for the refreshed version before reviewing the numbers. Now review the trial balance itself. Look through the listed accounts and the debit and credit balances shown for each one. This is the point where you confirm that the report reflects the period, method, and display settings you selected. If anything looks off, you can return to Customize and adjust the report again. Thanks for watching. Your trial balance is now displayed in QuickBooks with the report settings you selected.